Hi, my name is George White. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer for Cantina. I spent most of my career working on ways to use technology to help people make progress. I've been a developer, designer, strategist, and consultant. I'm a technologist at heart, but I have a strong affinity for the human element, keeping human beings, people, at the center of how I think about bringing tech into the world. I'm hoping to return to South by Southwest in 2019 to talk about an area I've been focused on in recent years, models for innovating and how we think about creating innovations and identifying practical, approachable, valuable, and sustainable solutions. Innovations are a core area of concern today. This has always been somewhat true. Human beings have been innovating for millions of years, from our earliest stone tools right through to today's current and advanced and emerging technologies. But there's a feeling that something has changed. The breadth and depth of technology that's available today has been explosive, with new science, new research, and new results in many fields. Simply put, the number of opportunities to make progress via new innovations has increased dramatically. This brings both benefit and chaos. Innovating is, at its base, a search problem. On the one hand, we have needs, problems to solve, tasks we want to accomplish, or things we want to make. On the other hand, we have a vast amount of accumulated knowledge, or repository of data and solutions that's expanding thanks to new research and inventions. One way to think of innovating is as a process of deeply understanding the needs that we have, formulating a set of queries that describe the parameters that need to be satisfied, then applying those queries against the plane of knowledge to look for solutions. There are implications to this way of thinking about innovations. One is that to innovate successfully, you need diversity. The search space we're dealing with today is so large, the number of potential solutions so many, that the broader the net we can cast, the more likely we'll be able to find both novel and better fitting answers. Diversity of experience, culture, knowledge are key drivers to not only the search, but to the formulation of the right queries to begin with, as well as helping to evaluate the suitability of the answers that we get. Another implication is the need for creative thinking. Core human needs have not changed. We still have all the elements that laid out in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, for example. But the context in which we express those needs has changed dramatically. The world we're attempting to innovate in has changed, as our ability to grapple with the challenges that we face have changed as well. Dealing with complexity like this often requires thinking that takes intuitive leaps and jumps. Making new, unpredicted, and unexpected connections has opened the way to exciting new innovations. In my talk, Innovating is a Search Problem, I want to explore the challenges facing us as we look to innovate today and in the future. I'll describe the metaphor of the plane of knowledge, how it can shape our thinking around solving problems and making progress, and practical ways for us to expand our ability to innovate. I believe that as we race to take advantage of new technologies, we need to find better methods of thinking about how we match problems to solutions. And as the challenges we face grow more complex, we need to find new methods of working together to understand, search, and make use of the knowledge that we have. I look forward to coming back to South by Southwest. I had a blast presenting in 2018, and I'd love to do it again this next year. Thanks. Bye, guys.